guys that love products with multiple uses so that you can make your money's full worth out of them? Well, I love them and I know many of you do too. So hi guys, my name is Muskan Ingorani and I'm a professional makeup artist, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about makeup products which have not one use but more than one uses to them. That way you can use them in multiple ways and you can make your money's full worth out of them, right? So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So my favorite product to multi-use the most with is a face palette. Okay, a face palette with a highlighter, a blush shade and a contour. You don't need anything more than that, just one of each and you'll be good to go. I think they are the best multi-use product is because you can not only use them on your face but as well as on your eyes. You can use the shimmer shade all over your eyes. You can use the brown shade all over your eyes. And you can even mix the shimmer and the brown shade all over your eyes. You can even apply the shimmer shade on lid and the brown shade on your crease and you'll be good to go. This will sort you out for all of your neutral and easy peasy looks, especially while traveling. I know that's not the case right now, but in general you can multi-use them a lot. In fact, I have a video on how to do that, how to do your full face of makeup using just one palette. You can go ahead and check it out. If you do use blush on the eyes, make sure you apply in a very little amount. Don't go overboard with it at all, okay? And you'll be good to go. So the next product I love to multi-use are lipsticks and lip tints, okay? If you own either one of them, either a cream lipstick, which I think you probably would already own, or a lip tint, you can multi-use both of them on your lips as well as on your cheeks. I would suggest using them barefaced. That will give them the most natural look and it looks absolutely spectacular. I will put a picture here to see how it looks and I absolutely love that look. You can just do that much. If you don't have a lot of time, apply it on your lips, apply it on your cheeks, blend it with your hands and you will be good to go. The next product I like to multi-use is a lash glue. Many of you won't know this, but you can definitely use your lash glue as your glitter glue. Just apply it the same way as you would a glitter glue. Apply it on your hands first, I would say this. Take it a bit, put it on your eyes and then stick glitter on it, or pressed or loose glitter, it doesn't matter, okay? And way the glitter will stick onto your eyes just as it would with the glitter glue. I know this because I have done this on many people. I have done it on myself multiple times and the glitter sticks on my eyes till the end of the day without budging at all. And that's what I absolutely love about doing this. Just make sure that the glue is clear. It is not a tinted one. It is not a black or a brown one. Make sure it is clear one so it will dry down very clearly. Make sure as soon as you apply that glue, you put the glitter immediately over it and you will be good to go. Next product I like to multi-use is a stick eyeshadow. These are available in both matte and shimmer formats, okay? So you can use a shimmer one as your highlighter and as well as on your eyes. So multi-use of two. And as for the matte one, you can apply it as your contour. And also if you get a pink one in the matte one, you can apply it as your blush as well. So you can basically use your stick eyeshadows on your cheeks as well and you can multi-use them into multiple ways, right? So a brown one I would say would be really handy for your eyes as well as for your contour. So yeah, that's the way you can multi-use your stick eyeshadow as well. This trick is also not very popular and that's why I wanted to share it with you all. Just make sure you do this after foundation before applying your powder so that it will blend easily. You can just use your hands or even a brush to blend it. The next product I like to multi-use is a clear or for that matter even a nude gloss, okay? So nude gloss, I mean by this skin color shades, not very pigmented ones, okay? These will literally replace all of your pigmented or color glosses because you can apply different shades of lipstick underneath and top it off with a gloss and you will be good to go. You will have different shades of gloss, colored gloss shades on your lips without having to invest in different shades of glosses. Just one gloss and multiple lipsticks, as you might already have known. Even if you own 2-3, that's enough. Then you'll have that in a glossy format, which is one clear or even for that matter a nude gloss. That's a great way to use a gloss. If you're not into glosses, this is a great way to step in. Then you can have multiple shades of glosses by just having one. Now it's time for bonus tip. If you are a regular watcher of my channel, you would know that I give bonus tips at the end of each video. And in today's bonus tip, I want to mention a single product. Now, all throughout the video, I said about different products like clear gloss, lipstick, face palette. I didn't mention any particular brand or any particular brand ka product, but now I want to do that. I want to share you about this amazing product called YBP Color Creams. Why I love this is because I think that a multi-use video without mentioning this is, I think, incomplete, because you can use this on your eyes, on your cheeks, as well as on your lips. So you have 3 multi-uses for them. I have used this one in the shade Goddess, and trust me, the formula is amazing. You just need tiny bit to apply, and it is very pigmented, very potent. You can easily apply it. It will spread nicely. It is very easy to apply even with hands. So you just need one product with your hands and you're good to go. I would suggest you even use this on your bare face. It will give the most natural look ever. And the best part which I like about these color creams is that they come in shades which are actually wearable. The pink is wearable, the brown is wearable, the purple one for people who love colorful shades is there for you. And yeah, that's what I would like to say about these color creams. I love them. And this is not at all sponsored if you think, because I bought it with my own money at the time of launch and I've yet to use up so much. So just saying that there is so much product in there. I know it's expensive, but try to get it on sale, and I'm telling you, you will get your money's worth out of this. Not at all sponsored. I bought this with my own money and I rave about it because I absolutely love it. So yeah, that was my bonus tip for you today. If you try to multi-use any of the things I mentioned in today's video, let me know in the comments, and make sure to follow me on Instagram. I give a lot of makeup tips, reviews, and much more information about real life makeup over there in captions, in my stories, on my reels. So make sure to check out my Instagram. And also, if you like this video and want to gain more knowledge from me, then subscribe to my channel. Till next time, bye bye.